You grab the latest drop from a hyped brand, slide them on, and immediately realize something is entirely wrong. Men looking for eyewear right now face a market flooded with conflicting trends. Making an expensive, unflattering mistake is incredibly easy. Sunglasses function as structural modifiers, sitting at the center of the face to actively shift natural proportions. The foundational rule is geometric contrast. A softer, rounder face will look more circular in round lenses, but a sharp geometric frame over that same face instantly manufactures jawline definition. Choosing the right pair is a calculation of geometric compatibility. It has little to do with how the frame looks sitting on a shelf. Currently, 10 distinct silhouettes dominate the menswear landscape for the 2025 and 2026 seasons. To categorize these frames objectively, we map them onto a precise 2x2 comparison matrix. The vertical axis represents face shape. This ranges from completely round circular designs at the bottom to sharp, harsh angles at the top. The horizontal axis tracks the aesthetic vibe, moving from timeless utility and heritage on the left to hyper-modern, edgy statements on the right. Navigating this grid provides a reliable method for locating the specific frame that optimizes both your jawline and your daily uniform. The heritage quadrant houses high-utility, low-risk options that are immune to trend decay. The classic D-frame, often represented by the Ray-Ban Wayfarer, establishes a stable intellectual baseline. Its thick acetate build and versatile shape flatter most face types. For a more military-inspired look, metal wireframe aviators provide a rugged, highly confident presence, originally designed for flight. The Persold 714 foldables represent the high point of masculine elegance. Famously worn by Steve McQueen, these foldable acetate frames are designed for long-term investment. These frames guarantee you will never look out of place, but that safety comes at the cost of unique aesthetic distinction. For men who want maximum versatility without the friction of daily styling choices, heritage frames offer the highest return on investment. Further across the matrix, we find frames that act as deliberate personal branding tools for a curated intellectual look. The Clubmaster, or browline frame, uses a thick upper frame and a thin lower rim to create a sharp, retro silhouette. Round metal frames represent a different path. Heavily favored by Gen Z, these perfectly circular shapes project a specific bohemian artist vibe. A tortoiseshell pattern, a mix of mottled brown and amber, adds depth to these styles and physically softens harsh, angular facial features. These pieces require intentional styling. Pairing an artist frame with rigid, standard corporate office wear shatters the intended look. Long face shapes often look stretched and out of proportion when wearing standard round or D frames. The Navigator frame solves this through width. It merges the vertical height of an aviator with a wider, squared-off structure. That extra horizontal width acts as a structural anchor, visually breaking up the length of the face and pulling the proportions back into alignment. Navigators deliver a modern edge while actively correcting the wearer's visual balance. This quadrant demands a specific wardrobe to work, and these styles carry a higher risk of trend decay within 2 years. This matrix theory translates into a hard, 3-step diagnostic you can use for your next purchase. Step 1. Identify face shape. Obey geometric contrast for structural harmony. Step 2. Identify your wardrobe anchor. Match tailored suits with heritage and modern hoodies with tech. Step 3. Identify trend tolerance. Choose a decade-long staple or a 2-year trend. Following these steps eliminates buyer's remorse, ensuring the frame is perfectly calibrated to your physical features. There is one final variable that technical analysis cannot fully account for. Finding a perfect geometric alignment solves the technical problem, but it cannot override the distraction caused by physical discomfort or self-consciousness. The objective quality of any accessory is secondary to the conviction of the man wearing it. Correcting the geometry removes the distraction of a poor fit, allowing that physical comfort to function as an attractiveness multiplier. Use the matrix to find your structural match, but ultimately choose the frame that feels native to your true persona.